In a world where words alone are not enough to convey your message, it's time to unlock the secrets of nonverbal communication. Whether you are a business professional looking to enhance communication skills for better relationships in the workplace and with clients, manager and team leaders wanting to improve team dynamics and productivity through effective nonverbal communication, or simply someone who is seeking personal growth to build trust, project confidence, and improve communication in both business and personal relationship, Beyond Words Nonverbal Communication for Business and Personal Relationship is the course you've been waiting for. This transformative course is carefully crafted to help you excel in both your professional and personal life. Learn practical techniques to enhance your communication skills, read nonverbal cues, and build instant rapport. Gain a deeper understanding of effective body language and master the art of nonverbal expression. Join the many other satisfied learners who have experienced remarkable transformations through this course. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity. Enroll in Beyond Words today and unlock a world of possibilities to become a confident communicator in any situation. See you inside.